In today's video, we are going to talk about how to install Odoo on Ubuntu. Well, to install it, you have some prerequisites that you must have in your system, and some of them are git, pip, node.js, etc. So I will use a command that will install all those dependencies or all those prerequisites. This is the command that will install everything. I'll put this command in the description of this video as well. So just hit enter, and now the process will just begin. Just press Y, hit enter and wait for it, as it will require 411 megabytes of hard drive space. So it will download this amount of data and files and then it will install it. So we have to be patient. So we are done with everything, and it is not recommended to use Odoo under root user. So we'll create a system user for that. This is the command. So just hit enter. Give it your password, again hit enter, and we are done with creating a user as well. And now we need to install and configure our PostgreSQL. Command for that is sudo apt install PostgreSQL, hit enter. Press Y and hit enter again. Now we are done with this one as well, and now we need to create a user for our PostgreSQL as well. And make sure you name the user same as you created the earlier user. In our case, it was Odoo 15. So make sure you use the same name in now. So just hit enter, and we are done with this one as well. Let me clear my terminal here. And now we are ready to install and configure our Odoo. First of all, we'll shift to our Odoo user. After that, just hit enter. And now we need to clone the source code of Odoo from GitHub. So this command will clone the code. So just hit enter now, and it will get downloaded into our system. We are done with this one as well, and now we need to create a virtual environment for our Python. So first of all, we'll go to our Odoo 15 and then use this command, which is python 3 space -m venv space Odoo venv virtual environment, basically hit enter. And now we need to activate our virtual environment. So it will do that. So just hit enter now. And now we'll create a directory for third-party add-ons. This is the command, just hit enter. We are done with creating our directory as well. And now we will exit from it. So we are done. And now we need to create a file. This is the file that will be sudo nano in the etc folder with the name of odoo15.conf. We will edit this file, hit enter, give it your password, and this is the file that we are going to edit. Add this content into this file and make sure to add your own password. I have just written here password. After that, press Ctrl X, press Y and hit enter. We are done with this file as well. And now we'll create a new file for services. This is the command that will create a file for Odoo 15 services. So just hit enter. And now we'll add some of the content in this file. So add these commands or this content into this file, and after that press Ctrl X, press Y to save the modifications, hit enter. We are done with this file as well, and now we just need to reload our daemon. Just hit enter, and we are done with this one. And now at the end, we just need to start our Odoo service. This is the command that will enable our Odoo and it will start it. So just hit enter, and now our Odoo has been started and it is working, and now it is in active state. And that was all about this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.